Ciao a tutti, bentornati sul mio canale YouTube, sono Bucola. Oggi vi mostro come potete prenotare il test di italiano per il permesso di soggiorno a lungo termine. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Bucola. So in today's video I will be showing you a tutorial on how you can book for your A2 Italian test exam for your long-term resident permit online. So you can actually do this online. It's very easy. So let's begin the tutorial. So you go to Google and you type portale interno you type portale servizi interno, okay, and see. So it's not this one right here. It's not portale alla cittadinanza because it's for the citizenship, and it's this one right here. Portale servizi interno.it. Okay. So right here, when you are in this website, Dipartimento per le Libertà Civili e l'Immigrazione, portale servizi, you click sportello unico immigrazione. I'll log in with my SPID. So when you log in, you're gonna go to sportello unico immigrazione, and as you can see there are different options. So to book your Italian test exam, you click compila domande test, and you go to test Italiano right here. You click compila. Clicca qui per verificare chi non deve sostenere il test italiano per la richiesta del permesso di soggiorno UE per soggiornanti di lungo periodo. So if you're having doubt about you writing the test or no, because there are some people exempted from taking the Italian test. So if you want to know if you are exempted, you click here. So here it's going to tell you about those that are exempted from taking the test. So number one, say attestati o titoli che certifichino la conoscenza della lingua italiana ad un livello non inferiore al livello A2. Okay, so if you have any certificates that certifies that you have an understanding, you have a knowledge of the language, of the Italian language, you don't have to take the test if it's not below the A2 level. But you will have to, you need a certificate to test to certify that. So the certificate must be it must be from an approved school. Okay, it must be from an approved institution. Okay, so, and also if you've taken any language tests from CPIA, okay, which is a school for adults. Okay, so you don't have to take the test if you've studied in Italy. So there are different options here. Okay, I don't want to go into that. I've talked about it in one of my videos, so you might want to watch it. Okay, so this is for anyone that is not sure that they have to take the test or no. Okay, so yeah, I'm just going to click scegli una domanda, richiesta di ammissione al test di conoscenza della lingua italiana ai fini del rilascio del permesso di soggiorno UE per soggiornanti di lungo periodo. This is for the long-term resident permit. Okay, so right here you have to fill the application. You have to fill your request for the Italian test. Here you might click here to, if you need a guide and to be able to fill the application. Okay, so I'm just going to close this. So here it's saying that you are aware of any criminal that you are aware of the criminal sanctions for anyone with false declarations. Okay, so you're just gonna click on, so I'll click on sezione successiva. Okay. What next? So right here you fill your information, your surname, your name, your civil status. So are you single, married, widow, or divorced, separated? You put it here. Your gender, date of birth, your citizenship, state of birth, province of birth, comune di nascita, luogo di nascita, your codice fiscale, your permesso di soggiorno, the permesso di soggiorno you have. So is it the paper one or the electronic one? So the date it was released to you, where it was released to you, date of release, motivo, the reason, you put it here. Is it for asilo politico? Is it for study? Is it for work? Okay, is it okay? Put it there. Then the number of the permesso di soggiorno, richiesta di rinnovo. Are you requesting for renewal or no? Data di richiesta rinnovo, numero assicurata, put it here. Documento di riconoscimento, identification document. So you choose the one you want to put, the date it was released, number of the document, where it was released. So when you are done with that, you click on sezione successiva. So because I didn't fill all this, it's telling me nella sezione attuale sono stati trovati degli errori. Vuoi procedere? I'll just click on C, even though I've not filled everything. I don't need this. I'm just showing you for the tutorial purpose. So right here, you put your residence, where you resident. So you put your province, then your comune, your address, then out your house number and the cap. Okay, then contatti, your phone number, your address. If you have PEC, you put it here. Recapito, province, and all that. So I'll just go to the next section. So when you are done, because I didn't fill out this, I can't I can't send my application to take the Italian test, because I don't need to do it. So when you're done, you click on invia domanda. So if you are not yet sure about everything you filled, you can just save it and you come back to it later. Or if you don't want to fill it anymore, you just click on esci dalla compilazione. So when you're done and you're sure of everything you filled here, you click on invia domanda. Okay, and if you want to see a preview of your application before sending it, you click on anteprima domanda. All right, so when you're done filling it, you click on invia domanda. So that's it for this tutorial. I'm sorry, I'll be turning off the comment section for now. And if you have any question, you can send me an email. Send an email to bukolaori@gmail.com. You can send an email to me there. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. Like this video, subscribe for more videos like this, and I'll see you in my next one. Thank you. Bye.